So here guys, you can see that this is currently what my side table looks like. So you can see here, this is called a Tavalen, or forgive me for my pronunciation, I do not really know Swedish. So let's build this one. So I got this from Ikea, which is approximately, if I'm not mistaken, around $10 if I'm not mistaken. So it's have a very easy instructions. There's only 2 steps and it only come in 3 pieces. You can see right here, they are using metal, which is quite good, and from what I feel, it's quite sturdy. It does not really bend really easily, as you can see here. So inside the package only have 3 parts, which is quite easy to assemble. So the only things that you need to make sure is that you will notice that the metal is slightly bent towards the inside of the case. You can see here, it's slight bend towards this side. So this one will be for the inwards of the shelf. So let's start building it. So just notice one thing. You can notice that actually the bars, they are different line. You can see here the bar is slightly protruding from the edge here. Now this one is not protruding. It's actually at the same at the same length of with this one. It's not protruding like this one. So this one will be the bottom piece. So let's quickly assemble that. So okay. As you can see here, it is quite done easy assembly. So the whole thing is approximately 17 cm depth and roughly around 30 plus cm. I believe I have the dimensions right over here actually. Let me have a quick look to see if I've got the dimension of the things. It's right here. So it's roughly around 36 times 17 by 33 cm, which is quite a sturdy look. You can see it's quite sturdy. It's good to have to use it for like servers or what. So let me So a $10, $10 product is quite good. So you see right here, lovely. So I hope you all like this video and hope I could see you all soon. If you like this type of content, do give a like. I'll be doing it more in the future if you all appreciate it. Thank you very much. See you guys soon. Goodbye.